Hello creatives, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome to the community, and if you're a returning creative, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll be sharing with you how to add a bottle pouch to your tote bags in a very simple way. So let's get into it. To make a well-fitting bottle pouch, you have to factor in the height of your bag and what you want to fit in. The height of the bag I'm working with is 12 inches and I want the bottle pouch to be able to fit a medium and small size bottle. The length is 8 inches plus the 1 inch elastic allowance and the width is 10 inches. You will fold the 1 inch line to create a tunnel for the elastic to pass. Then pass the elastic in with a safety pin. The length of the elastic I used is 7 inches and I secured the ends with office pins. On the main body lining, you will go in by 2.5 inches by the side and roll it out. From the top, you will go in by 4.5 inches and from that 4.5 inches mark, you will go in by 6 inches, which is the bottle pouch length, and you will do the same on the other side too. After that, you will slit the 6 inches line open. That is where the bottle pouch will be sewn in. Place the bottle pouch in, right sides facing each other, and sew. I secured the stitch mark with an hem stitch and I also top stitch. After that, you will join the sides with your allowance and also join the corners. Give it a good press and everything is all done. And this is what the bottle pouch looks like on the inside. I'm thinking of making a series on all the different ways to add a bottle pouch to a bag. You guys should let me know what you think in the comment section. Till next time, bye.